Hey guys, I'm Tony. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a leak in the drain in your tub. My tub isn't that old, it's only a couple years old, and if I remember right, there's like a little gasket that sealed the drain. So we're going to take that out. The thing lasted like 2 years, so we're going to put some plumber's putty in there to fix the leak, and I'll show you how to do that. Before we get started, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment on the video if you have any questions. Also, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Okay, so all you really need is a Phillips screwdriver to do this. And there should be a Phillips screw. It shouldn't be a flathead screwdriver, but if it is, you'll need one of those. So you just need to take the screw out. And it should come out pretty easily for you. Pull that out, make sure you don't lose it, and you want to take off the drain cover. So to get the drain out, you can use a pair of pliers. I have a pair right here, and you're going to want to stick the handles in here and loosen it up. It might fight you a little bit. This one came out pretty easily. Here is the old gasket right here. So I'm going to take this out because it's been leaking, and I'm going to put some plumber's putty in there. So before you begin, just wipe down and clean up the area like around the drain hole. You don't want anything in there to possibly create like a wick or disrupt the seal that you're going to put in there. So next, take your plumber's putty, and you're gonna make like a seal right around the whole opening here. And just you're gonna kind of take it out with your hand, and it'll kind of look like this. And kind of mold it into like a rope. Just kind of put it. You don't need a ton of it. Like all around the drain, like this. This stuff has been around forever. I mean, sometimes some of the stuff that has been around literally forever is better than those little gaskets that you get. Gaskets aren't made that well. They dry out, and it doesn't take them very long to dry out. But this here will should work better than that gasket did. It should last a heck of a lot longer. This is pretty pliable too. You can see that I'm kind of just putting it all around that opening. Whoop, don't drop it in the drain. If it's shot out. So we're gonna kind of seal it up like this. And once you have that done, we'll put the drain in. So while you're in here, reach down side and clean these threads up. Wipe any gunk and debris off of them so you have a nice clean seal. So the way this drain is made, it kind of mates to the bottom of the tub. So this should seal that, but I'm going to throw a little bit of Teflon tape on the bottom of my drain right here. I'll clean this up some more. So I'll put a little Teflon tape in here so no water seeps by here and causes that leak again. So the last thing I want to have happen is for this to leak onto the ceiling downstairs. That would put a brand new ceiling in, and I don't want a brand new ceiling getting all wet. Alright, so I have some Teflon tape, and I'm going to put it on the threads of this. Show why this wasn't done in the first place. So all you need is like a thin coat of it on. And I'll go all the way down the shank with it. So once you have it on, you just screw this back in place. Right, now you can just hand thread it in. Let's go like this. Make sure the threads catch. Then what to do is take the end of your water pumps again, your pliers, and you put them in there. And as you tighten it, the plumber's putty should kind of ooze out of the edges. You want to make sure it's snug. You don't need to crank down on it wicked tight. You don't want to break this. But make sure you get a firm seal at the same time. Alright. Almost there. Okay, so that should be good. And wipe off the excess putty. So come all out of the edges like that. That's all you need to do. And then, let's see, let's put your drain back in. So you put that on. Then it is time for your screw and your screwdriver. So once you don't need to crank down on this either. Yeah, should be good.